How you can disable dynamic cue in YouTube Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable dynamic cue in YouTube Music. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube Music app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on the settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, there you can see the option labeled as playback. So simply tap on it. And now here, under the playback, you can see the option labeled as dynamic cue. So to disable this option, just toggle it off and that's it. That's how you can disable dynamic cue on YouTube Music. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.